So responsive web design is really a hot topic nowadays. It is something that you really almost have to have on your website. Google recently has changed its algorithm and will include only results in its search engine results pages that have a mobile version, meaning you have to be able to look at it on a smartphone for Google to be able to show it. And that's really given a lot of business owners kind of a hiccup and kind of a pause to say, wait, I don't know if my website is ready for that yet. And, it doesn't have to be a huge process to get it ready for mobile. But from the ground up is the easiest way to do it. So if you've got an existing website, a lot of times we can kind of work with that, tweak it, create a mobile version so that you're still able to be found on mobile searches. But ideally, if you come to us, when we build a website for you, it will include not only a full desktop version that people can view on a laptop computer or their home computer or whatever it might be, but also on any mobile device that would be something they would be searching on, an iPhone, any other smartphones, iPads, and things of that nature.